What up, Flash fam? It's your boy K Flash. We're back with another video. I'm just getting off of work, but my homeboy Truth, he got a car meet tonight, so we're gonna pull up, see what the vibe is like, and just kick it and see what happens, man. Hopefully get some runs. We might not, but just stay tuned. We'll see y'all in a bit. And before we go, we gotta get the cover off the car because I cleaned the, washed her, and then tucked her away. So let's go and get this done. But we're gonna get her uncovered, and then we'll see y'all in a second. Well, guys, it got shut down. The cops shut us down, so it's all good. Shit happens. It, you know, whatever happens, happens. But we supposed to have a race night tomorrow, so we'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Hopefully it's not this bad. Alright. So yeah, they shut us down. They pulling people over. They doing the absolute most. But hey, it is what it is, bro. But we got a race night tomorrow. It'll be, you know, Texas versus Louisiana. They got some people coming from Tyler, Texas, but look at that. That dude ain't did nothing but pull out the parking lot. It's all good. Going home. So yeah, we out here, Cody, about to put bus links on them boys in the Subi. In the Subi. But yeah, man, we out here. We about to get these races going. About to have a little fun. Turn up. Got this nice ass V10 party, R8. Nice.
They did that right.
C7 with the Forge line wheels. Okay.
Nice.
C7 look like it's the way to go.
Yeah, the interior came out good.
Look like C7 is the way to go, man. I'm gonna have to give me a C7, bro. What y'all think? Stang.
That bitch charging still?
Oh, he's sitting next to him.
Right.
Man, I might have to go C7, man. Get rid of 8. You know what I'm saying? Because these mugs, they put down some power though. Shit.
That supercharged life is
The supercharged life different, right?
yeah,
That wine. I wish Cody didn't know about that. I don't know nothing about that.
yeah, baby.
I'll get that one day. One day. If the CA supercharger wasn't $25,000.
Yeah, because they want to do the
And that's without tuning. That's just fucking to buy the kit.
Yeah, they want to do the transmission.
Shit's fucking ridiculous. I'm like, alright. And then they don't got the transmission tuning yet.
Yeah, nope. And they might, who knows? They might not.
Yeah, they might not do it.
Sponsored by the richest man.
The GT500 has a trim rig also, and they don't have tuning for that.
He got
See?
cameras
Exactly.
on camera right here. What's your stuff to follow you on, man? What is it called?
Follow me on YouTube, Kid Flash with a PH.
Okay.
KIDPHLASH.
KID. He not a kid though. KID.
I am a kid. I need an adult. That's gonna be my new hashtag. I need an adult.
I need it. Right here, y'all. Right here.
Nah, that's when you know your face.
What mount is that?
It's
So then they got, like I say, Z7s, bro. The mugs out here. These fat ass tires. Get there one day. Get there one day. So that's motherfucker clean though. And then you got the C6. So hey, it's gonna be a good night. A lot of racing. So make sure y'all tune in and make sure y'all pay attention because you're not gonna be wanting to miss this.
I've been doing is grinding lately. I'm the shit on the fit, but my focus ain't focused on getting by. I've been having motion while they sitting by. I've been staying low while they getting high. Life been all about balances, working so hard that my hands full of calluses. I can't never tell you what they hate about. I've been grinding, not checking my bank account. My routing number bisexual, but fuck it, the number still making out. I've been hanging a lot of this Chevy, gripping the wood and I'm holding it steady. About to piss them off like R. Kelly, but I've been sincere like Belly. Yeah, we been grinding, trying to find a way. A couple years ago, I had to bend my faith. When I fell on my luck, had people walk away. I was already on my knees, you know I had to pray. No, I had to pray.
You know what's really crazy, bro? That nigga keep
So how many pounds of pressure do you run in those things?
Yeah, you had some
Right now, I was in 21, but I'm going to take it down to 16. And back when it was cold weather, I was running between 14 and 16 pounds, and I was hooking pretty good in the 50-degree weather.
Yeah. And with more, and that's more horsepower.
Right. So, and I was hooking with that. Oh, thank you, thank you.
And then when you do it right, they fuck up. Oh, it's a turn. Shit. Going too slow.
Hold on. What's this?
The AMP game.